Hello everyone, welcome back to my Diamond Addiction. This is Valerie, and I was contacted by a company on Amazon and asked to do a review of their product. I love reviewing products. I just think it's exciting. You know, they contact you and they're like, hey, we recognize you from YouTube. Can you review our product? Take a look at it. Sure, send it on over. So they did. What is this? Oh, it is tools. Diamond painting tools. As soon as I can open it. All right, let's see what we have in here. So we have some clips. Clip, clip. We have a 3-placer. Okay, that was frightening. My tripod literally just threw my phone out at me. I will try to edit that out so you don't get dizzy flipping around in circles and hitting the floor and staring at my ceiling fan. Okay, anyway, we have a 3-placer and a 9-placer. Let's go ahead and open it up. A 3-placer. I guess it's a 9-placer. It's big enough to be a 9-placer. Yeah, we're going to call it a 9-placer. And a drill straightener. Let's stick it down in between the drills and it straightens them. So it came with that. And it came with a fun little green boat. And it came with one of my favorite things of all time ever. The huge white tray. The ridges in them are amazing. This holds, well, so many more diamonds than this. Yeah, see the difference? Yeah, this one all the way. It comes with a drill pen with a cool squishy on it. It's a different one. I like that. And a 6-placer, so there's the 6. Yeah, and it's tight too. It doesn't move. I like that, so there's that. And a pair of thick bent tweezers. And this fun stuff. Yeah, fun stuff, don't know. And a cord for da, 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 da. Oh yeah, wow, this is packaged awesome. They don't want it to come apart at all. A light pad. Yeah. And this is a stand for the light pad. I know that's what it is. I just don't know how it works because I don't know. I didn't see the instructions, so I'll have to look and figure out how all this goes together. It's not going to be like that. Yeah, I don't know. But this is going to be a stand anyway. And then this, it will hold the light pad. Power supply by USB cable. Super bright, eco-friendly LED. Ensure extreme low calorific value and lifespan up to 50,000 hours. Flicker free, no radiation, good for your eyes, especially long hour working. Thin and portable design. Oh, my phone is moving again. I just heard it click. Ultra thin and light weights, which make it portable. And And something, I don't know, can be not adjust brightness. Some of these they can adjust brightness, some of these they can't. I'm not sure which model I got. Probably this one, the USB. So I don't think you can adjust the brightness on this. I don't know how much this costs. How about I'll put it right here because I was sent this for free. So I'm not sure how much it costs. Yeah, I don't know. And then you can use these to clip your canvas on the light pad to hold it. Because, you know, if you stand it up a little bit, you're going to want to clip it on there so it doesn't fall off, doesn't slide down. You can put it on there and you can diamond paint. Because that's what it's all about, diamond painting. Yeah, so that comes with the light pad. I was super excited about the light pad. I wasn't expecting that. The light pad stand, that is smarter than me. Oh, hold on. I may have just gotten smart. Probably not, but it's worth a try. Alright, so we've got a stand. And we've got the light pad if you're working this way. Light pad if you're working that way. And I think you can, yep, you can adjust it to the angle you want. Clip your canvas on there. Get out your trusty tray. Pour your diamonds in. And look at that, you're in business. So that was really easy to set up. I just wasn't paying much attention to how to do it. Yeah, so if you're just getting started, you want a light pad, you want the awesome white tray, multi-placers. This is awesome. If you've never used a light pad, oh my gosh, you don't know what you're missing. So the first diamond painting I ever did was a little puppy in a basket. And I'm pretty sure I showed that on a video way, way, way long time ago. Way long time ago. That I did for Sky, for my granddaughter. I did that all with just a lamp on a table. How much easier it would have been if I would have had a light pad. After I bought my light pad, I can't imagine diamond painting without it. Even on the ones that are crystal clear, I just turned my other one on the low setting, and it illuminates from the bottom just enough to where my poor aging eyes, aging, not Asian, aging eyes can see the symbols so much better. And then I will just run this cord, plugs into up here at the top right there, and I'll plug it into my USB charger that I have upstairs in my living room, and I will actually probably give the one that I have upstairs to my daughter, who does a lot of diamond painting with me. And then I'll use this on my lap desk. I have an A3 light pad that I use down here, but these, they're amazing. I'm not even kidding. If you've never used a light pad with your diamond painting, you seriously don't know what you're missing. So again, I'm extremely happy that they contacted me and asked me to review their product. You get the light pad, the clips, the stands, the trays, the multi-placers, and the pen with the grippy that's actually, it's more rubbery than the foam. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Especially if you're a beginner. Just getting started. Okay, so maybe you need to do a painting at least before you decide that, yeah, I want to do this and spend money on it. But right here's a great addition to anybody who plans on continuing to diamond paint after their first one, or, you know, after the first day and you're like, oh yeah, I love this. Definitely great kit right here. So, all right, leave any questions or comments you have in the comment section down below. I thank you for watching and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.